Every seller wants a quick sell at top dollar. Here are a few things you can do before you put your house on the market. Depersonalize. Pack up the family photos and artifacts. A buyer wants to picture themselves in the space. Declutter. Clean off your countertops and pack away the knickknacks. Streamline your furnishings. And as a final touch, make your house sparkle. Wash the windows, clean away the old cobwebs. Simple steps make a huge difference and can lead to a sold sign on your house.
There are a couple of great ways to breathe fresh air into a property. First, reposition it. Even a small price drop gains attention and moves it into a lower category. Then, I suggest staging the unit. So many people don't have the imagination to envision themselves living somewhere if it's just 4 walls. These are all well-tested tricks in the industry that help move a property more quickly than it might have moved otherwise.